My name is Andrea Munda. I'm a fourth-year management major and also a minor in finance. Well, as part of my leadership journey, I wanted to impact the lives of these young ladies also positively. It is important because we both have something to bring. Men have something to bring to leadership, and women also have something to bring in leadership. And when we both do that, we yield more success for everyone in the society. Well, I talked about it in my student panel, and again, it comes back to discipline and time management. So I discipline myself with knowing when to lead and when to let someone lead, when to handle my schoolwork, my home life, personal life, and all that. With an agenda. I have an agenda, color coding. I have different pens of different colors. For example, when I use my red pen, it means that is very, very important, and I have to make sure I do this. And I use my black pen for the other things and all that. And I also have set dates and deadlines, which help me keep things on track. Well, what they're doing right now, I believe gaining experience, going into leadership programs, also reading good leadership books, and really participating in events where they will learn and also apply their own leadership skills. Just to gain more experience as leadership. And leadership is a journey, so we learn as we grow.